Hi friends, how are you? This is Cici from China MBKL Power. Today the weather is very cloudy and wet in Yangdong. Behind me is our 80 kilowatt silent type genset which powered by Y490D diesel engine. Y490D diesel engine is the top level engine brand in China. And today we are going to show you the noise level testing in our factory, and I will show you the details. Please follow me. Behind me is our bench order of Y490D diesel engine combined with dual thermal alternator and will be exported to other countries. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact me. See you later.